probably gonna stop me a little bit.
Well, when was the plan to get car? Remember?
Yeah, he was gonna get it. The one before. Yeah. Nigga, I took me down to the pool today.
So we're currently gonna be doing pools with two different cars. We got the Z over here.
Yo, I think one of your lights is out.
My back lights?
No.
Oh, my front ones? Yeah. Oh, probably. I don't know. Oh no, I stopped it. Oh no, they're both fast.
Oh, they normally blink?
Yeah, they're both fast. Yeah, it's fast on my dashboard too. So we got the Z. What year's your car again? What year's your car?
04.
2004 350Z DE. And then we got a GTI behind us, 2016 I believe so. Has a little turbo, and we got that Mustang, but we're currently not gonna do pools with you because you will take me to Gapplebee's really easy. So yeah. Everybody wanted to rev their car. I gotta do. Jesus. So I think my only worry is gonna be the GTI because for sure he's gonna take me off a roll. I'm not sure about the Z though. Really not sure, but we're gonna see what happens. So this is shark infested waters. This is not where you want to go fast. Do not go fast. No, not here. This is not the place to be going fast. Because this place is full of cops. Definitely not here. I mean, usually at this side nothing happens usually. We're gonna see if they're comfortable enough to actually go with one. Look at this guy. Not yet? Yeah, I go with his choice because this, he didn't want to run in here because this, I don't know bro, this area always getting pulled over. Even though we're really tempted, this area is known to get pulled over. So we'd rather avoid the situation and we'll just do it later on. Right? 60? Alan, 60. You count. You count. My back wheel is wobbling. Ah, this guy wants to keep going.